Welcome to honeybee farming in Araku Valley, where the gentle hum of honeybees weaves a tale of nature's harmony. Surrounded by the green hills, local beekeepers engage in the art of honey farming. In carefully tended hives, bees buzz with a purpose, creating the golden nectar that defines Araku's sweetness. The valley's diverse flora adds a rich flavor to this liquid gold. Beekeepers harvest the honey, a devotion of love that connects them to the land and its natural abundance. Araku Valley's honey isn't just a sweetener. It's a pure, local essence, reflecting the symbiotic dance between bees and blossoms. This is Araku Valley's honey farming, a simple yet profound journey that echoes the harmony of nature and community.